She's narrowed her area down. So careful not to stand too close to the hide, and there she is. Yep, there she is right there. Good. In. See how fast that is? Good. Good job. All the leash. He's in. Reward. Good job. Good boy. And stay back from her. And in. Good job. Good job. Do you see the difference? See how much more focused he is? Nice. Nice. Very good job.